What if I told you that in just 1 hour, you could unlock the strategies that top performers use to not just play the game, but change it in their favor? Welcome to the live 1 hour workshop with me that will hack your career. This isn't just another career workshop. It's your gateway to transforming your professional life. In this 1 hour, I will be providing you the 7-step framework to not just change, but completely revolutionize the way you think about your career. This is where you stop drifting like driftwood or tumbleweed and take control and start driving. The job market has changed. The old paths are obsolete. This workshop is about power. The power to control your career trajectory, the power to excel in a technology-driven world. Why should you join? Because you will get the clarity on what's been holding you back. Because you will understand the future of work and how technology like AI is not just an advantage but a necessity. You will leave with more than just ideas. You will have a personalized strategy action document, insights into AI-driven networking, and tools to develop your personal brand. Plus, we will crack the code on NLP techniques to break through your fears and skyrocket your professional growth. This is more than a workshop, it's a revolution. Are you ready to be part of it? Choose your session, join the workshop. Let's build the career you deserve. Not tomorrow, but right now.